School of Business and Management, UK. I heartily welcome you to the Honorary Doctorate Award July 2021 edition.
Hello, it's me, your ex. I called to say not sorry, but I wish you the best. And I don't hold no grudges, promise this ain't a test. We okay, we okay. Sometimes it works out, but sometimes it don't. Maybe we'll fix this, or maybe we won't. Sometimes a heart can sink like a stone until you find home. This ain't a heartbreak anthem. I don't care what happened, but I ain't got no time to dwell on it.
Everyone, our guests, I say good evening and welcome to this event. The profile, I noticed that we have entrepreneurs, business people across all sectors. I mean, I haven't read one, we have a pilot in here.
But just to say that whatever you have today, please be very good ambassadors of this wonderful institution, recognized all over the world for good things we've been doing. I mean, the very first one we did, the maiden edition, we were the maiden awardees of this award. So I think you're second in line. And I'm sure that having done this, having tested waters with us, and succeeded in much today.
Michael Oladiji. Please put your hands together, Mr. Michael Oladiji, and think, yes, he's here. Young, brilliant, vibrant, radiant. You can see that, yes, or more. What are you talking about? We're happy having you here tonight.
To the camera, please.
It's not an easy feat attaining visionary, trailblazing exploits. He holds a bachelor degree in psychology from the Premier University. Ladies and gentlemen, we are celebrating Mr. Michael Oladiji. It's into real estate, customer relationship management, sales and marketing, business operations, development strategy, marketing communications, core competence in information technology, etc. etc. Ladies and gentlemen, the cap is being put on his head now, and you can tell the cap fits his head. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for him, Mr. Michael Oladiji.
This ain't a heartbreak anthem. I don't care what happened, but I ain't got no time to dwell on it. Don't wanna throw a tantrum. You did what you had to. No, I ain't got no time to dwell on it. And I don't wanna feel hollow. Chasing you and me, chasing all of these shadows. This ain't a heartbreak anthem. I don't care what happened, but I ain't got no time to dwell on it. This ain't a heartbreak anthem. This ain't a heartbreak.
Michael Oladiji. Round of applause for Michael Oladiji. Yes, comes for his. Michael Oladiji is a visionary trailblazer. He holds a bachelor's degree in psychology from the Premier University, University of Ibadan. Later studied operational management, master's in business administration level at same Premier University. He holds an international diploma from the International Institute in Germany through its authorized national body. He is a certified Oracle 10G database administrator from the Oracle University, USA. Had professional training and certification in information technology network desktop specialist. He is also an associate member of the Practitioners Council of Nigeria, APCO. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's celebrate today Michael Oladiji. A round of applause for him, ladies and gentlemen. He gets the plaque first.
The Senate, Swiss School of Business and Management, Switzerland. The Dean, Swiss School of Business and Management, Switzerland. Chairman, MPs, School of Business and Management, Directorate and Management, and School of College of Business and Management. Our special guest of honor, friends, well-wishers, and family. So exciting to note that the little effort we make in our little corner and generate such a recognition, and it's one of the most meaningful recognition one can ever cherish. And this is a recognition that personally I cherish. Today, it's not a day for a long lecture or story. It's a day that brings to mind a story. It's a story about a young man, who was at the point hopeless of even having a university degree. The story of a young man who struggled to acquire a university degree around the age of 30 years. The story of a young man who was homeless in a foreign land and had to sleep under the staircase of a restaurant for well over 2 weeks. It is the same story of the young man being awarded a doctorate degree from one of the top universities in the world. It's indeed a story that affirms that indeed dreams do come true if we dare act with courage. It's also a story that reaffirms that dreams do come true if we have the courage to pursue it. I'm confident to say that this recognition would further, be a push, to deliver more impact, not only in the business world, but across all sectors of the economy and also to humanity. Thank you so much once again, Swiss School of Business and Management. Thank you so much once again, M. Gibbs College of Business and Management.
So very quick, a special round of applause for all the awardees, please. Congratulations, congratulations. I don't know if you noticed, good to see you, sir. A father of entertainment, thank you very much, it's good having you. I don't know if you noticed that all the men who came up here to receive the award were thanking their wives. That's to let you know that women are powerful. Please, a special round of applause for all the women. I just got married, so I understand the power of a woman. Yeah, you won't understand. You just imagine your wife accompanying you to such event like this and you did not acknowledge her presence. Once you get home, you will hear,
Banji! So, mo make up tan. Mo tẹ̀lé no party ko tẹ̀lé ni.
women. And I noticed that I heard one of the awardees said, he was once a student of Green Spring School. Am I right? Am I right? So I was once a student of Green Spring School too. Yes, I attended the school once. I only went there to make inquiry. That was